Did you ever wondered why yawning is contagious? You're not alone. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists for centuries. When one person yawns, it often triggers a chain reaction, causing others to yawn as well. Research has shown that contagious yawning is linked to activity in the same part of the brain that is responsible for empathy and social bonding. In fact, contagious yawning is just one example of how humans are wired to mimic the behaviors of those around us. So the next time you find yourself yawning along with someone else, remember that it's a sign of your brain's social wiring at work. Like the video and follow us for more facts like this.